Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Slushy Studio 38, man. By that title and thumbnail, I know y'all know what time it is. I also got the box in my hand. I'm about to install this pedal box and give y'all a review, basically. I'm about to let y'all know what I think of it and how it acts and performs on my car. We're gonna do this as brief as possible, guys. You already know how I am with my DIYs, my RLs. We about to get it in. Stay tuned for the video. Smash that like button. And yeah, y'all, watch this intro. Alright, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that intro. So y'all, I might give y'all a co-start like I normally do. And I want to talk about that once again. This was a stock V6, got the remote start put on with the mufflers deleted. And I got some Corso Performance exhaust tips on with a Diablo Sport tune. So here's a co-start. Start and I'll definitely give y'all a walk around the vehicle. I want to talk about my lover. It came off because I know y'all probably wondering why it's not on there. It came off probably like a week ago when my British Dragon Bones died, so I was gonna give y'all some bad news on that, but I never had a chance to because I had made that video. But yeah, it just came off in the wind. It was raining real bad for some reason, and I guess it wasn't just on good enough, so it came off. And I'll probably just get another one. It did a little damage to my wrap right here, a little scratch. But all that is little cosmetic things, guys, and I'll probably be getting this car repainted anyway once this wrap is all the way like damaged and ready to get off this car. I live in Ohio, so weather does play the part with the elements and stuff. Weather and the elements does play the part with how the car is well kept, you know, kept up and everything. But yeah, enough about that. I wanted to definitely let y'all know about that and everything. And yeah, definitely let me know what y'all think about this vehicle, man. This thing is fire, man. Even though the lower not there, I'm gonna get another one, like I said. I'm about to install this and let y'all see that. And one thing I do want to talk about with this pedal box is that I got the one that came with the app. It was about $350. So total, it was $340 total. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what that's like too. So. All right, so I already kind of got this prepared to where down here you gotta like unhook some stuff. I didn't unhook anything. I'm gonna try to put that on camera as much as I can. Even if I can't get it, y'all can at least see. So like where it's two switches and I got the book too. So basically you gotta unhook the accelerator from its harness and then hook those two together and then hook that back into this. And then it's so simple. I just wanted to make sure you guys see it. So guys, this is it's the switch over the accelerator. Where your accelerator is, it's two little switches. You just take that out. It's a little, I'm trying to show y'all. It's hard to show, but it's two switches that connect. Just unhook them. That's all you do. And then we come in here and replace it with these. You hook these to that. Sure, go with this one. Just like that, guys. And then you take the other one that you disconnected and you hook that to the one that you disconnected. It's that simple. So stay tuned for the rest. I'm gonna show y'all when it's all hooked up. And that's it. I just wanted to show y'all how y'all do that part. All right, guys, I'm about to mount it. I showed y'all the setup and the initial setup. Because after I mount it, guys, I have to tune it. It's called fine tuning. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get a few pulls, and we're gonna see what the hype is, man. I want to shout out Hemi Life 44, where I got the pedal box idea from, guys. Let's see if this tape stick. Probably should take this out and do it. Let's see. Usually, I feel like when they give you tape, you gotta really apply pressure. As y'all can see, my lover with the tape and stuff, so you gotta really make sure. Even if this don't stay on, I always can remount it. So we're not gonna focus too hard on this. All right, so everybody, I installed it, and now I'm about to show you guys. I got the app right here. You have to turn it on to the on position. This is before I tune it, so I'm turning it on to the on position. You see the green that it's on. It says you're supposed to hold the plus button for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, right there. And then now you have to put the key in. The zeros. I connected to the pedal box with the app, guys. It was that simple. And now we're going to tune it, and then we're going to give you guys a pull. So let's do that. All right, guys, so as it says in the book, and it says turn the car to the on position. It's already green and on because I connected it to the app. You're supposed to hold the plus and minus button for 3 seconds total. And now you see these little gauges right here. And now to fine tune this, you put your foot on the accelerator from the neutral position all the way to the floor, and you can do this several times. And you should see this light up on here. So that's the goal. Let's see what happens. Did I not do it long enough? Let's see. Hold this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. All right, there it is. So now you just smash the, like I said before, the accelerator from idle to the full throttle. And you can see me doing it right here. That's what those colors are. I'm just tuning it to my vehicle, guys. Like I said before, I'm gonna do it about 5 to 10 times just to show you guys. He said you can do it as many times as you want, so I'm done with that. The tuning part. So you press and hold this down for 3 seconds, the power button, just to confirm your perfect tune. And that's all it wrote right there. That should be everything right there. I'm gonna talk about this now, and we're gonna get a few pulls. It's in city mode right now. We're gonna do a pull in each one: city, sport, and sport plus. And I'm just gonna get my opinion. I tried to mount this thing up here, but the tape didn't stick. I'm gonna get some better tape and just put it up there. So I'm not even gonna use the pedal box to do anything. I'm gonna use the app. Like, I'm gonna leave the pedal box down here, and I'm gonna use the app. So now let's start the car.
Wait for connection.
It's in city mode right now. Just trying to get a few pills to see what it's like. Level 1 in city mode, trying to see what that's like. Overall, guys, it is a big difference. I could tell the difference already. But I'm inside this parking lot. We in Mexico trying to do this. Level 2, I'm trying to see. Overall, I mean, it works. It's just I can't get a full 0 to 60 or something in here because where I'm at. So let me go to sport mode and see it. Sport mode on the app. Level, this is no level right now. We'll see if it does anything. How jumpy it is. Definitely sounds different. I think the reaction for it is a little bit smoother because you could definitely hear the engine. I'm gonna put it on level 1 and do it again. Okay. Yeah, definitely. It changes the way the accelerator. I think it changes how open it is, like, because it's definitely reacting different. And you can hear it too, how it sounds. All right, level 3, y'all. Let's see what this is like. Yeah, it's pretty. It changes the way it's smooth. It's like a smooth pull instead of like. It sounds like you're trying to get up. It sounds like you get your power right away. Definitely feel the car jerks a lot more. Like you jump, you get a little power out of it. To more of a open location so I can see kind of how my pull would really be. I'm about to put this on level 2 sport mode, and see. Also, to check engine light is on. I know that from watching other YouTubers and people who put theirs pedal boxes on, you can get that off. So I probably gotta tune it again. I'm definitely gonna give y'all another video where I do that and give y'all better pulls. But I definitely wanted to show y'all how I install this and the difference with having a pedal box on there. Overall, I think it works, but you gotta make sure you tune into the vehicle right. Cause I got a lot of stuff already on this car. Like I said before, I got a Diablo tuner. I got the car tuned and did a whole bunch of other stuff to performance-wise, so I can tell the difference. It seems like the throttle is more open, but I couldn't really tell you. It doesn't really feel like it gives you any gain, which is the fact on these things. It don't give you a gain in horsepower, but it does give you more control over your horsepower, if that makes sense. And I feel like that's what it's doing. Another little cool thing to add to the vehicle, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in Sport 3, the closest video, and see how this reacting to full, all the way up to the max. Everything. And this how it looks in Sport Mode 3 on the pedal box right here. On the app, that's how it looks. Similar red and all the red across. So, all right, I put it in Sport 3. Just want to get a pull, see how it reacts to that. See do I notice any difference in, like I said before, my accelerating, like how much control I have over the car. Oh, it got a big jump. You get a lot of control of your engine. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got the pedal box with the app. I installed it myself. Gave it a couple pulls in City Sport and Sport Plus mode. And guys, if y'all enjoyed that video and enjoyed my couple pulls, I definitely would try to get more in detail pulls and showing the car and all of that later. I just wanted to show you guys that I got the pedal box with the app and all that stuff and installed it on my car, test it out. And if I have any problems with it, I'll definitely let you guys know. But definitely stay tuned for all my videos, guys. I appreciate the support. Once again, it's your boy Session Student 38. And we out of here, y'all. Thank you again. We out. Peace.